The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo redefines luxury camper vans with its high-end comfort, modern technology, and versatile design. Here's why this camper van is ideal for discriminating travelers. Interior comfort. The Marco Polo's interior has yacht-style wood floors and Napa leather upholstery inspired by luxury boats. Swiveling front seats, an electric back bench that transforms into a bed, and a pop-up roof with a second double bed make the cabin versatile. The pleasant environment is enhanced by 64-color ambient LED lights. Kitchen amenities. The small but practical kitchenette has a 2-burner gas stove, sink, and 40-liter fridge. High-quality cabinets and soft-closing drawers provide abundant storage. A fold-out eating table, camping chairs, and a wardrobe for clothes and supplies are also included. Driver experience and performance. Marco Polo, based on the V-Class, provides turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel engines. 220D, 163 horsepower. The 300D has 239 horsepower. Both engines have a 9G Tronic automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive for smooth, responsive driving. The optional AI-Matic air suspension system self-levels for comfort on difficult terrain. Tech and connectivity. The Marco Polo has the newest MBUX infotainment system with twin 12.3-inch displays and Hey Mercedes voice assistant. The Mercedes-Benz Advanced Adjust (MBAC) technology lets campers adjust lighting, climate, and leveling via the infotainment screen or a smartphone app. Driver safety assistance safety features include active distance assist, Distronic cruise control, active brake assist with pedestrian identification, blind spot, lane keeping, and traffic sign assist. A 360-degree camera facilitates parking and navigating. Practicality and storage. Although small, the Marco Polo has creative storage options, including a retractable drawer under the rear seat and different cabin cabinets and compartments. The rear window opens separately, allowing easy boot access without opening the tailgate. Pricing and availability. The standard 2026 Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo with 163 horsepower diesel engine and 9G Tronic transmission costs 70,240 euros, about 75,400 US dollars. Options like the Airmatic air suspension and AMG line package might raise the price. Verdict luxury and technology make the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo a great camping vehicle. Couples, families, and professionals looking for a quality camper van will love its comfort, convenience, and performance. With its great build quality and extensive functionality, the Marco Polo is worth the extra price.